Alright everybody, so today we're gonna be watching the G8 for the first time. Got the G8 in the background, but I'm gonna be using my setup that I got for my truck because I've been wanting to start like doing mobile detailing, and I was doing it for a little while when work slowed down, and then I stopped. So then I also wanted to do to where I didn't have to hook up to the water or anything like that if I was gonna do the back. So I'm gonna show y'all my setup in the Rango that I got going on, and we're gonna test it out today. And then this is also gonna be the first time that I wash the G8, like hand wash it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the only time I ever like I said, first time that I hand washed the G8. First time I actually washed a wrap car, to be honest with you. Any other time I would use spray, the spray that I have, and I'll show y'all later the one I just do like a little spray it down and wipe it down. Y'all can see G8 is dirty. Wheels are dirty, wrap is dirty. Of course I can just get the water hose and do it like that, but I want to test out my setup that I have for when I do start doing more mobile detailing, whenever the coronavirus start go away. So I had already bought this stuff before I got the news from work, and I was already planning on doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what all I got. Alright, so excuse the boxes, we actually are about to start moving. So first, I got me a 35-gallon tank, which I feel like that should be enough for probably, I don't know, it should be enough for about 2 cars. But what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna fill it up to 15 gallons. I'm gonna fill it up to 15 gallons and then see how much I use, or if I use the whole thing. But I feel like that 35 gallons is enough for 2 cars. And then I got me a pressure washer, and y'all can see this is a gas pressure washer. So Power Stroke 2300 psi. This one is good because obviously I got a hatch, so I have to be able to fit everything in here. And I like this one because I can take this part off and put it in here, put it right on the side of the tank, and yeah, so I can just pull it out and put it back. So I actually had to fix my door before I did all this. And then right up here I got my vacuum. I already had the that like kind of like an extractor in a way. And then over here is all my products and stuff, all the stuff that I use to clean, wax, all that stuff is in there. Even got some Hot Wheels. And then in front of that is the steamer that I use. And if y'all want, depending on how this video do, if y'all want, I'll do a full show y'all everything. But I pretty much got everything you need, and a lot of stuff that you really don't need. But I had already had some of this stuff before, honestly. And I actually have a electrical power washer in the front up there that I was using. So I'm gonna fill this up first, and like I said, I'm gonna fill it up to about 15 gallons, and then I'm gonna pull my pressure washer out and then connect it all, because here's the connection I got. So I actually got this connection from Walmart, and it's a quick connect. So connect it right there. I can put my hose on here and then put the hose to the pressure washer. Now the only thing I think I'm gonna have problems with is the hose that I got. So I don't know how this is gonna do with this tank. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, fill this up, start connecting my hose, and start connecting my pressure washer. Alright, so got a little under 15 gallons up in there. I already got my hose connected to my pressure washer. Got the wine on there. So either this is gonna expand or it's not gonna do much at all. So as soon as I pull this, we're gonna see. So I went ahead and switch hoses because that hose, this one right here, this one won't work unless I probably use like a pump. And I've seen people using a pump to pump this to the pressure washer. So what I'm doing is doing a gravity feed. It's no pump at all, just letting it flow through, and the pressure washer should suck this and it should run just fine like it is. So we about to go ahead and test it out. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Alright, so obviously y'all saw that actually worked. So we're right at 15 gallons. So I'm gonna spray the car off. I'm gonna spray the car off first and see how much water we use for that. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and well, I'm gonna put some stuff on the rims to kind of clean them off. And then I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not like really detailing. I'm just cleaning it off and stuff. So I'm not gonna get a brush or anything, any of that stuff right on this video. And I'll probably want to record when I do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it off, come back, foam it down, clean the rims. I'm gonna clean the rims first, foam it down, and do that. For my car, I use Diablo wheel gel, but I got it mixed in here with some water, so I got it diluted. And I do have a Chemical Guys one like this. And these are a lot easier than spray bottles. You just pump them like I'm doing. Pump them like I'm doing, and you just spray basically. That's it. And usually when I do the waterless wash, this is what I'm using to clean the rims. And I just go around. Oops, sprayed the car. I just go around, spray all 4 wheels, and then I come back and I wipe them down, spray them while I'm wiping them, and call that a day. Alright y'all, so after the spray off, just a little rinse off. So I was up here, so I'm about halfway between 10 and 5. So I want to say I used about, I guess, about 2.5 gallons from the little spray off. So actually it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I'm not gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my rims and the inside of it, whatever I can clean. And then I'm gonna come back and foam it down. Then I'm gonna turn the camera back on once I foam it down. But this is what I'm using. It's fun satin and matte finish, which is, everybody thinks this is matte, but it's actually satin. So we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna see if it'll yeah, I'm using this to foam it down also, so that's gonna be interesting. So let's go ahead and start foaming the G8 down and start cleaning it. Also, I hope everybody can hear me, but like I said, also, these are my 2 favorite, somebody mentioned this, and I used this a long time ago and forgot about it, but this is my favorite tire shine to put on the car. This one lasts pretty long. And this is my favorite glass cleaner that I got from Chemical Guys, so this is the one that I use, and like I said, my favorite so far. This works pretty good. Got it all shined up and nice. So, we only use, it's right here on the line, and that's for me spraying stuff that I didn't even have to spray, but about 10 gallons to wash the car. So we got 35, so this little 35 gallon can wash about 2 cars, maybe 2.5, maybe 3, depending on the size and how much water you use, and really how dirty it is also. So in reality, if I wanted to get another 30, I can get another 30, and that would be 35, that would be another 7, that would be 70 gallons. So that can, if I fill them both up to the top, that's at least probably 6 or 7 cars I can do in a day with just off of the water that I have. So probably 6 safely, so that's pretty good. And then I also didn't need a pump. You can gravity feed it, which is what I did with this. So I just gravity fed it. So some people have a pump hooked up to this and the pump is pumping to this, and then they have a battery that they got to hook the pump up. That's too much. I just want to connect the hose and whatever. So I have this side in case I want to. I'm just gonna use this one in case I want to hook up like in case I want to put some water in like the steamer or into this right here for the carpet and all that. So, and then that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead, we gonna get in the G8, go to a spot, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about this wrap has been holding up. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead. I got my brother's shirt on, LeTrainiump. Make sure y'all go and y'all check out his music. I put a lot of his music in most of my videos. So and his link is always down below. So make sure y'all go check out my brother, my actual brother. So we're gonna talk about the wrap. I've been having the wrap on for a good over 6 or 7 months now, 8 months maybe. It's been a minute I've been having this wrap on. The wrap was done by Chandler. So, I haven't had any problems with the wrap. The brand of the wrap is Cheetah Wrap. If y'all, if you look at it, was the wrap itself didn't cost me that much. Damn, it is about to storm, so I'm gonna have to hurry up. So the wrap is Cheetah Wrap. I haven't had no problems with it. I went on a bunch of trips with this wrap in the car and stuff like that, from Louisiana, all over the place. It does have a couple of nicks here and there, like right here. I found this yesterday when I was cleaning it, and it's probably just for rocks. Somewhere around here there's one from me, because I was trying to open the gas door wouldn't open. But you could kind of tell here also, I don't know if y'all can see this, like even the front bumper, you would think that it would be full of scratches and all kind of stuff because of the the rocks and stuff that fly up when we go into these long distance places, and it's holding up pretty good, honestly. Like I got a couple right there and over here, but nothing too serious, honestly. Anybody that wants a Pontiac Cup, all you have to do is put Pontiac Cup and then you put the color that you want. So right now I have 22 ounces instead of 20 ounces. And those are going to be spill proof. That's the ones I'm ordering. So if you want a cup, let me know. I only have a set amount of cups that I can do right now and ship out. So they're powder coated. If y'all saw the last video, the black one that I did, it came out pretty nice. I'm gonna be doing a red one just like that for somebody else. So like I said, if y'all want one, go ahead, hit the link, go to powder coated cup on the website, and then from there you just gonna put Pontiac logo, Pontiac cup, and put your color. That's it. So we also still doing the we still got our brand page, NTVO. Make sure you go follow that, NTVO_. And when we doing $12 a shirt or 2 for $20. So all you got to do is put 2 shirts in your cart, and it'll discount it to 20 bucks. So make sure y'all go grab y'all one of those. Those shirts are, yeah. Make sure y'all go grab y'all one of those. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next one on Wednesday.